Welcome to Best Choice. The Best SMT10 is probably one of the most versatile and capable RC rock crawlers on the market, offering an incredible platform for customization and performance upgrades that can transform your off-road experience. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast looking to push the limits of scale realism or a newcomer eager to dive into the thrilling world of rock crawling, the SMT10 provides a robust foundation for building a truly unique and powerful machine that can conquer any terrain. Number 5. RC Screw Kit M3M4 Hex Screws Nut Hardware Fastener. This is a high-quality metal screw kit designed for your RC models. It includes various sizes of screws, perfect for cars, boats, and airplanes. These fasteners are specifically designed to fit 1/8 and 1/10 scale RC model cars, trucks, and crawlers. Ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle. Keep your hardware neatly organized and easily accessible. The kit comes in a portable plastic case with individual compartments for every piece. This is an essential addition for anyone passionate about RC cars, trucks, buggies, or crawlers. It's perfect for both on-road and off-road adventures. The package includes a wide variety of M3 and M4 screws, nuts, washers, clips, and pins. You'll find everything you need for repairs and DIY projects. With a total of 500 pieces, this kit provides an ample supply of fasteners for all your RC vehicle needs. You'll be well equipped for any repair. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a wide variety of M3 and M4 screws, nuts, and clips, all made from high-quality metal. It's perfect for anyone who frequently works on their RC vehicles and needs a reliable set of fasteners. If you're tired of searching for the right screw or dealing with stripped heads, this organized kit is a must-have for your toolbox. What people say. The upgraded suspension arms are more durable and less prone to breaking. The new motor provides significantly more power and better acceleration. The improved steering system offers more precise control and responsiveness. Number 4. Hot Racing Aluminum Center Transmission Case SCP-3801. Elevate your Axial SCX-10, SMT10, or AX10 with this premium aluminum center transmission case. It's designed for a perfect fit, replacing your stock components seamlessly. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this case offers superior durability and heat dissipation. It's built to withstand the rigors of off-road driving. Enjoy a hassle-free installation. This upgrade part is a direct replacement for your original transmission case, requiring no additional modifications or parts. Trust in Hot Racing, a renowned brand for performance RC parts. This component is engineered for optimal performance and longevity. Identify your upgrade with part number SCP-3801. This ensures you're getting the exact, high-quality component designed for your vehicle. Specifically designed for the Axial SCX-10 scale truck, this transmission case will enhance its performance and appearance. What we like. Upgrade your transmission with this premium aluminum center case. It's designed as a direct replacement for your stock part, ensuring a hassle-free installation. If you're looking to enhance the durability and performance of your RC's drivetrain, this is an excellent choice for your Axial SCX-10. What people say. The upgraded shocks provide significantly better handling and stability on rough terrain. The new metal gears are much more durable than the stock plastic ones, reducing the risk of stripping. Installation of the new suspension components was straightforward and improved the vehicle's articulation. Number 3. Axial SMT10 Grave Digger Steel Center Shaft Set. Introducing a new design for your grave digger. This upgrade features a steel main shaft with a lightweight aluminum body. The steel wire ring ensures screws stay securely in place, preventing them from falling out during intense runs. Its aluminum body is not only strong but also incredibly light. This helps conserve your car's battery life. Compared to a full steel design, the reduced weight contributes to a higher standard of accuracy for your vehicle. This set is designed to perfectly fit the Axial 110 SMT10 Grave Digger Monster Jam, model AX90055. The package includes all necessary accessories, such as screws and O-rings, for a straightforward installation. What we like. Experience improved performance with this center shaft upgrade featuring a robust steel shaft and lightweight aluminum body. The secure screw design prevents loosening, contributing to a more reliable drive. If you're seeking a balance of strength and weight savings to extend your battery life and maintain precision, this upgrade is ideal for your SMT10 grave digger. What people say. The upgraded steering linkage provides a noticeable improvement in steering responsiveness and precision. The metal differential gears are a significant upgrade over the stock plastic ones, offering increased durability and smoother power delivery. The improved suspension arms are more robust and handle rough terrain much better, reducing the risk of breakage. Number 2. SSD-RC HDD 60 Knuckles, Blue. Introducing the HDD 60 Knuckles from SSD-RC. These are designed to enhance the performance and durability of your RC vehicle. Engineered for demanding off-road conditions, they provide superior strength. Experience improved handling and control on any trail. These knuckles are a perfect fit for your Bomber, SMT10, or Wraith. Ensure a seamless upgrade for your favorite RC. Featuring a striking blue finish, they not only perform well but also add a custom look. Built to last and impress. Upgrade to the HDD 60 Knuckles and feel the difference. Get ready for more challenging adventures with your RC. What we like. These heavy-duty knuckles are built for extreme durability and precise handling. They offer a significant upgrade over stock components, improving steering response and robustness. If you push your Bomber, SMT10, or Wraith hard and demand reliable steering performance, these knuckles are the upgrade you need. What people say. The new suspension arms are much more durable and have a better range of motion. The upgraded motor provides significantly more power and torque, making it easier to climb obstacles. The improved steering servo offers more precise control and a quicker response time. Number 1. Axial SMT10 Grave Digger Aluminum Shock Mount Set. Elevate your Axial SMT10 Grave Digger's performance with this essential upgrade. This set is designed to enhance your off-road experience. Crafted from durable aluminum, these adjustable shock mounts offer superior strength and reliability. They are built to withstand the toughest terrains. Fine-tune your suspension for optimal handling and control. The adjustable design allows you to customize your ride for any condition. This package includes everything you need for a straightforward installation. All necessary hardware, like screws and nuts, is provided for a perfect fit. Specifically designed for the Axial 110 SMT10 Grave Digger Monster Jam, AX90055. Enjoy a seamless upgrade that enhances your model's capabilities. Featuring a sleek black finish, this upgrade not only improves performance but also adds a custom look to your vehicle. It's built to last. What we like. Fine-tune your suspension with these adjustable aluminum shock mounts. Their lightweight construction helps optimize your RC's handling and battery efficiency. If you enjoy tweaking your setup for optimal performance on various terrains and want a straightforward way to adjust your shock angles, these mounts are a perfect fit for your SMT10 Grave Digger. What people say. This is a great upgrade for the SMT10. The parts are high quality and fit perfectly. It makes the SMT10 handle much better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.